Mm, yeah. Kitty, kitty. It's time to dress you up. Come. Okay, now we can glow and play. Kitty, you're my sweet little ball. How are you trying to climb the tree? Wait a minute. Where is my book? Oh, it's gone missing. It may be here. Sarah had put her all stationery so dirty. Ah! Oh my god. My leg is paining. Oh, it's bleeding. Need a tissue. Yeah. Ah. Okay. So where is my book? I see my book. Go, you sketch. Oh, here is my book. Hey Sarah, why have you kept your all stationeries so dirty? Today you have to clean it.
Yeah, Danny, I forgot about that. Today I'm gonna do that. So, here are my organizers. Let's get started. So, first I'm here with the arranging of
Take
the
today for it.
papers. And first I'm arranging the stickers and the color papers. At last, the white papers. Then let's go for the acrylic colors. I'm just keeping the little things such as pencils and my clay box. Let's arrange the tapes. Then here we have a simple organizer. Just cover a piece of color paper or a design paper in a round roll. Then let's go for the mini colors. It's not fitting, so I am cutting them into pieces. It's always good to cut these colors into small pieces if your container is small. Time for the sketches. I randomly use sketches. That's why I'm putting them in a box. And the color pencils, I am putting them also into a box. and my instrument box and the books. Those were the watercolor papers, and this is my doodle bag. I'm keeping my watercolors. Then I'm keeping my extra erasers and sharpeners with the acrylic colors. This is my favorite part, arranging the glitter pens. Then I am keeping my main markers into the simple and easy organizer that we made. So here I'm going to make a new organizer. So I'm taking a carton box. This is a box of an non-electric juicer that we bought. So I cut it into sliding like shape. Then here we have some polka dot papers. I'm taking 4 of them. Let's cover the box with these papers. This is a simple and easy organizer that everyone can make this at their homes with the recycled carton boxes cut into slightly slide shapes. If you decorate it by covering with a paper or painting, it will be more beautiful. Then here I have my new organizer. Then I'm keeping my puzzle box into it. Then the purple box containing my pencils and the chart. Then we have my brushes and the blue pouch containing the oil pastels. Where will I keep the double-sided tapes? Here is no place. So I will keep here. No, I have an idea. I will keep it in the organizer. These are some old unwanted things, so I am putting them into the dustbin. all done.
Wow! Amazing! I liked it. I liked this organizer. And who's inside? Cutie bear. And this. And this. And I liked everything. And that organizer too. That is so beautiful. You made it right. My advice is everyone need to keep their things clean and tidy. Everything is good. Now it's time for me to read my book. So bye bye. See you in the garden. Time to read the book. It's my favorite book. Evil Death. Let me read it. Oh, it seems to be so scary. So, bye everyone. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends, and leave a comment.